Guys, I'm doing my lashes. You know what's crazy, Vovo? It's the fact that you were the one that taught me how to put on the individuals. Because remember, I only was able to do the strips and you couldn't do the strips. But now, listen, all I'm doing is individuals.
Yeah. I don't even remember if I ever tried strips. I don't like them.
The individual look is better, I'm not gonna lie.
They're more natural.
Oh, my fingers in my way. Okay. We got that on. Yeah. So we got this. We're gonna do this side. So look at this, right? I like this because it's longer. I like long dresses. But then, let me talk. So I like, but the second one, I like it more because of it have like a little detail on the side, and it also is long sleeve. The only thing I don't like is that it's slightly short.
Then wear the long one once again.
Decisions. I'll let you know. I'll let you guys know what I chose. Look at the. What do you think? You still prefer next one? Ah! Okay, we're gonna go with the second one. It's okay. This is Keepingitkk. I settled on this dress. I'm gonna have to be doing a lot of pulling up tonight. But this dress is longer and I really do like the style. I'm gonna have to fix this. But yeah, I'm wearing a bob. I haven't worn like an actual lace frontal in over a year. I've been doing glueless wigs. I'm surprised I still know how to lay it for it to stay. I've never really been good at styling. And I never told you guys where I'm going. So Christina said that she needed a break. So we're going on a little dinner date tonight. This feels like deja vu because this is exactly what happened last time. Me being chaotic as I got ready. And also we're going to the same place. I don't feel like putting any makeup, to be honest. Yes, I'm just flat iron in this. Hold up. Turn around for real quick. Hey! Ooh, belly. Oh my gosh. Pretty in yellow. Purr. But guys, we're done taking pictures. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie to you. It actually feels good to get ready and be at the place, like to go out and look cute every once in a while. You know? My day, like I feel so good. I feel so cute. Purr. Okay, wait, our reservation is we're early, guys. You see all that chaoticness? It's not a word, but you see how chaotic it was?
It's kind of like blurry, but giving me bad.
Guys, I really prefer being behind the camera.
Look at this. This is pretty.
But the weather's perfect because it was raining earlier. Gangula. You know, all I had today was waffles.
You know, I didn't have nothing. I think that's why I was getting a little.
Look up to your black.
Because my breath smell like no, like, you know, when you haven't eaten and you're not talking, I hold it up tight. And I was like, I'm going to my teeth, but like.
But no, when you haven't eaten for a long time, it does like leave a bad taste in your mouth. But hold up, let me go up here. Hey guys. Boom, 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 boom. I ain't gonna lie, I'm too childish for a lot of things.
You see how you was doing the video? You want to be serious? It looks sexy, like.
What the hell was that?
It was something.
What? What the hell?
The people looking up like, these people crazy. Anyway, I'll show you guys the food. Maybe.
Yeah, the food is nice. I got a picture we're gonna do.
Light in his teeth.
Pick up your phone. Pick up your phone. Look at your phone. Take a picture. Watch us.
Wait.
No, you didn't hold it. I can't see my face. Put the camera bar down.
It's a lot happening right now. I forgot to bring my other part of the camera, but.
Take a picture. I'm taking it on your phone.
Looks like I'm doing food.
Mine wasn't good.
That right
Mine
here.
wasn't good. I look
We
like
can do
a
it next
jet
one.
jet.
Okay.
Come on. Camera. Why my camera?
10 years later.
Camera.
Hey. I'm sweating. Our reservation is for 8. It's 8:01 on our list.
Oh. Hi. Toodles.
This lighting is tea. What is it?
Okay.
Why are you scaring me?
Okay, it's 2. It says don't make. Okay. So it says.
They come with 2 now?
No, I don't know. This is what
A
it
big
says.
fortune will descend upon you this year. Amen. A lot la.
It says don't miss your chance to wake me. I don't know what this back one says.
Wait a second. No, that one isn't it. It's the one, this one.
Oh,
So a big fortune will
This
descend on you this year. Okay. Yeah. You are a symbol of resilience and strength.
That's so true.
This.
So this is on top of my bag. You welcome. This is because you was nice. You have a nice attitude.
Oh, thank you.
I'm a girl.
Energy, I love it. Have a good day.
You
Come back on Monday. We'll
Night.
have Carol all night.
We just meet in the middle. Yes.
Well, my afternoon doctor, we have another doctor. Still, Mondays, all happy hour, all night.
I think I like this vibe better.
Yeah, this vibe is nice.
Same thing. Same restaurant.
Maybe same restaurant, but different people.
Oh, you're right. I'm not there.
There you go. I like that.
See what Christina's talking about.
I saw it on the story.
Yeah.
What do you call it?
Oh.
Vibrant colors.
Yeah. I was her fashion designer. I was her stylist. I was her videographer.
Let's
You know what I'm saying? And I was her photographer. You know, you want to sing with us?
I'm gonna leave y'all because I have to go get ready for work.
Sail and still we I mean that's cheating. Do you think you can handle it? It's complicated.
Let me put my shades
Okay. What
So-
I've got to say.
on. Yeah, this was too big for me, guys, but it's gonna work with it.
Okay.
Like,
Hey,
yeah.
that's the loudest it can go. I have this dream right inside of me. I'm gonna let it gonna come in. Hurry up.
So that was pretty good.
This is me.
Zach looks better when he was young. You see how he looks now?
Good girl, you always have to be the same.
Guys, we've been trying to go to the beach all day, and it's currently 3:52. I mean, I got enough things done regardless, so that's good. But now I just went outside in my hat and just toppled over because that wind is strong, man. But guys, we made it. And the sun is shining like a lot. I didn't put sunscreen. I forgot to put sunscreen. But it's okay. It's okay. It's so beautiful out here. And the water's cold. I'm going in. How far you think I'm going? I'm gonna do like up to my thigh. I thought you were gonna go in the water.
Biggie man, we do the way I buy that. What's it come? You are go, all depend. The cash, ride the foot, and the feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are go, all depend. The cash, ride the foot, and the feet, die for nothing. Make you not say anything when you do the most complicated.
Now, I gotta do the next part to match.
Just to make your money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to run. Don't tell me what's it go? You are go, all the Bentley, the cash, ride the boat, I no fee, die for nothing. What's it go? You are go, all the Bentley, the cash, ride the boat, I no fee. Different things that happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night, 4 shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my port, I'm paddling. Shout out, Bella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen dreams. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my mate. But my people, they go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one, I want enjoy, I want job, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it come? You are come, all the Bentley, the cash, ride the foot, I no fee. What's it come? You are come, all the Bentley. I no fee.
Okay, that's not bad. Okay. Well, I keep failing. Let me just put it. Let me just put it. The sound feels so nice. What am I doing? I was like, okay. I'm the easiest to it. Okay. I lied. I'm scared of cold water.
anything when you do, they must commend it.